It's not right. I think they should just consider.
Asante sana. Yeah. Labda kwa heshima upitishe kipaza sauti kwa mwenzangu. Huyu ni mwanafunzi. Labda ukiangalia mfuko wa mzazi wako, alafu uangalie mapendekezo ya malipo ya university ambao tuko nayo kwa sasa, mzazi anawezana na huu mzigo?
Thank you. To be sincere, sioni kama atawezana, because you see, previously the government used to give some amount, and then there was also things like help to give some amount. There were bursaries, but now this new criteria that they are starting, it will be very difficult for us. Yeah.
I'm sure you interact with some of your fellows and colleagues in school. What is their biggest fear with the new proposals?
Actually, you see, the life that we live in right now, finding a job is already difficult. So making learning again more difficult, it is becoming so hectic. So what I can say is that if they could make even the learning to be a bit easier, it will be better, because to be sincere, not many people will be able to pay it. And the moment education is for the rich and jobs are also for the rich, then how about the poor now?
Good. Yeah. Hassan, tulikuahidi ya kwamba tutakuwa hisia na masio ya